Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use AI in Thunkable, updated. Open Thunkable, create a new project, and name it clearly for your AI feature. Drag a text input and button onto the screen to gather user prompts, and add a label to display responses. Configure an HTTP or AI block, paste your API key into secure settings, then wire the blocks so the button sends the prompt and the label shows the reply. Start by selecting an AI provider that fits your feature needs and budget, then obtain an API key. In Thunkable, use the HTTP component or a serverless function to format requests with headers and JSON body. Test with simple prompts to verify responses, then parse the return JSON and update labels, lists, or images. Keep API calls under control to manage costs and ensure responsive user experience on mobile devices. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and hit like to support more content. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They pair well with long coding sessions and standing desks. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. It helps the channel and keeps your feet happy. Now let's get back to the video. Design a friendly UX that guides users with placeholder text and example prompts, and always show a loading state while waiting for AI responses. Implement clear error messages for timeouts or failed calls, and add retry logic where appropriate. Limit prompt length and sanitize inputs to avoid unsafe or irrelevant outputs. Finally, monitor usage and tweak prompts for consistency so your app feels reliable and human-centered.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.